Hey guys, Vincent Foisy here. Just finished another flip here on the west side of town. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 864 square feet. So let me show you a little bit about it. 6738 Buena Vista. So this one, I don't know if you saw a few months ago, I posted some pictures. It had some fire damage here on the right side. It started where the water heater was, and then kind of went up into the attic and then shot all the way across. So it was just smoke damage on the left side, and then this is where most of the fire was. So let me show you the inside. So basically what to do is tear out all the sheetrock on the inside. We have to rewire the house completely. Have to redo all the ductwork, new AC. So every single thing has been redone here on the inside. So this is the living room, kitchen in the back, and dining room on the side. So it used to have a wall all the way up. Took that down to make it a little bit more of an open floor plan. So it's a pretty decent sized kitchen for an 864 square foot house. So this is the dining room here, and you got the kitchen there, and the living room in the front. So the appliances will be installed prior to closing. Basically the buyer can choose whatever they want, they want black, white, or stainless steel, and I'll get them installed for them prior to closing. Okay, and then here are the bedrooms. So decent sized bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. Bedroom 2, this is a little bit more of the master, just because it's got 2 closets, so you got the his and hers closets. And third bedroom over here, plenty of windows. So this is the main bathroom, so everything's been redone in here down to the studs, so everything's been done correctly. Obviously when there's fire damage, you got the city to come out and assess the percentage of fire damage. And then you're going to have to pull permits on everything. So we pull permits on everything. Then out here, nice carport. And here you got the laundry room on the outside. So as you can see, everything's been redone in here. All new lumber, water heater, laundry box, and then you got your dryer over here. So all new wires and then PEX throughout the house. So everything's been updated, everything passed inspections. And you got a pretty big backyard. So that's pretty much it. 6738 just went live today, but we're listing it at 129.9. I already got a couple showings set up for today, so we'll see how that goes. But if you got any buyers or got any questions, give me a call. We'll get you set up. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye.